Dear students, previous lecture I explained about single fixed pulley, single movable pulley. Must watch my that lecture, okay, and increase the quality of the video to 480 or 720 pixel. Then you can easily watch it, okay. Otherwise, it's blurring, okay. It's not clearly visible. So increase the pixel to proper understand. So today I am explaining combination of pulley. Students, in combination of pulley, specially important is this one, using several pulley in two block and tackle system. Okay, nothing to worried about, it's very easy. So just watch my lecture, then you will understand. So first we learn the first type of combination, which is one single fixed pulley, other movable. One type, one single fixed. So this thing also I explain in this portion, means in the improvement portion I also explain in my lecture. It is available that one movable pulley we have done a improvement, change the direction of effort, and it gives us a mechanical advantage. So similar types of condition, but there is several movable pulley, three movable pulley and one single fixed pulley. Okay, so students, as usual we will calculate the velocity ratio, mechanical advantage, okay, and efficiency. These three, though we basically we are learning these three: mechanical advantage, velocity ratio, and eta efficiency. When efficiency is 100%, mechanical advantage and velocity ratio equal. Okay, so you need to remember this. And when in exam also it will come to make that, we will go through by using ideal, means eta is equal to 1. Eta 100% means the value will put here eta is equal to 1. That means if you calculate the mechanical advantage, you will get the velocity ratio, same value it will come. Okay, so as usual, let's proceed with these three value we will calculate, and the chapter topic will be over. So student, just watch this. Okay, once so combination of pulley means there is total 4 pulley. Okay, total 4 pulley arranged like this way, 3 are movable and 1 is fixed. Okay, so students, just see the tension force. If you learn the tension force, then pulley is not a matter for you. And tension, I told you that suppose there is a load is hanging by a rope, then that load is pulling the rope downwards and the tension force pull is upward. So tension is always the away from the point. Just remember this thing, means this is the point of interaction. So away, opposite side arrow means tension force, always away from the point where the load is, just opposite direction there will be tension. If you calculate the tension force, then it will be very easy to calculate the mechanical advantage, because mechanical advantage is equal to load by effort. So load is balanced by these tension forces, because see there is a rope. Okay, there is a rope. So this rope is means if we consider that string is massless, rope or string, that means there is only tension force which is balancing the these three pulleys. Okay, so three pulley and this load. Okay, so if we consider also that pulleys also massless, because student, for ideal situation to we consider they are massless and frictionless, I explained in the previous video. Okay, so that load will be balanced by only tension forces. There is no other force, means we will taking that pulley massless, we will taking the string is also massless, string or the rope you can say. Okay, so load is balanced by only this tension force. So only if we calculate the tension forces, then we can easily get the answer, mechanical advantage, because load is balanced by the tension force. So load we get the value, and effort, to always one tension is balanced by the effort. Okay, and how that is calculated I am showing you by zooming. You see here, you see, so here we are giving the effort, that effort is balancing one tension force, that is T3. This T3 is combination of these whole, students. Here you can see T1, T2, T3, how I am showing. Now to effort is equal to T3, E is equal to T3 we get. Okay, now coming to the load, load is equal to, load is here, so it is balanced by 2 T1 is here, T1, T1. This T1 balanced by T2, so T1 is equal to 2 T2. Okay, now T2 is balanced by 2 T3. That means T2, 1 T2 is equal to 2 T3. Okay, So now students, you complete these three equation, okay, and convert all the value in T3 because effort is coming in T3. Understand? When we get the mechanical advantage, that time load by effort, if effort is to T3, that means if we bring whole the value in T3, if in case of load, then T3 will cut and we will get a whole number value, and we can understand that mechanical advantage whether greater than 1, less than 1, whatever it is. Okay, that thing has done over here, nothing else. You can do by yourself, students. These all things means this one. Okay, in the book you can see first 2T1 is equal to L, this T1 is equal to 2T2, see here T1 is equal to 2T. Now T2 is equal to 2T3. Okay, so just it will convert a T3 is equal to TL by 2 cube, this value will come. Okay, means value of T3 you have to calculate, effort is equal to T3. Okay, and load is equal to, you convert the value in 2 cube T3 also you can write load. Okay, means the thing will come, effort is equal to T3, load will come, load is equal to come 2 cube T3. If you divide load by effort, effort T3, then the value will come 2 cube. 2 cube means 3 movable pulley is there. Okay, 3 movable pulley means, that's why that value has come here. If n number movable pulley, it will come 2 to the power n. Okay, so very easy. If there in general, if there are n number movable pulley, so it's very easy, you get the equation, 3 movable pulley, mechanical advantage will be 2 to the power 3. Okay, it means 2 cube. If n number of pulley, 2 to the power n. Now students, come to the velocity ratio. Velocity ratio is very easy. In this case, where we consider is T1, T2, here we will consider movement takes place x. Okay, x, if the movement will come, you know, mechanical advantage is 2 to the power n, velocity also will be 2 to the power n. Why students I am saying? Because you know mechanical advantage is equal to velocity ratio for ideal machine. So if there is ideal machine, by closing your eye you can put the same value as mechanical advantage. Okay, you see velocity ratio also come to the power n. But for your understand, I am showing here the how it comes. You see velocity ratio is equal to distance moved by the effort and the load, and so 1 is to 2 cube x, only that t is converted into x and another will be only x. So x cut, that way 2 cube will be answer. So I think students you understand, this is the first case, and second case, that is several pulley in 2 block. Okay, it is very easy, several pulley in 2 block. Okay, that is block and tackle system, it is very important. Okay, so in this system 2 block of pulleys are used, one upper block having several pulley attached to the rigid support, other lower block having several pulley is movable. Two types, one will is fixed, upper block several pulley is there, and below also there is several pulley which is movable, okay, by the rope. Very interesting students, it is very important, and I will show my note and I will explain there. And students, this thing you must remember, for convenience মানে সুবিধার জন্য of applying effort. Okay, effort always in the downward direction এ effort টা দিতে আমাদের সুবিধা হয়. I told you that downward direction if you give the force, that is very easier. Okay, so for this system, for this convenience, just remember this, the number of pulleys in the movable lower block is kept either equal or less than the number of pulley fixed upper block. Okay, what is this I am showing? You see here, these are the movable and these are the fixed. Fixed, why you know that above there is the fixed point. So see, above fixed point is can increase, but lower number of pulley will be either less than this above 3 or equal to the above 3. Okay, either equal or less than, not more than. But above 1 can be more than, above to here you can see 3, below 2, above can be more than it, but below 1, that movable pulley cannot be more than the fixed one. Okay, that is reason for the convenience, you have to remember this thing. Okay, once again I am reading this, the number of pulley in the movable either equal or less, movable means below. Okay, so equal or less than the pulley in the fixed upper block. Okay, now students move to the my note. There you can easily understand this thing, this system. Then you can read also book, no problem. Here you can see in the picture, see there is three type block and tackle system. First type I will explain. See, three pulley, here is three pulley. How the rope passed or string is passed, you see these two is fixed and below one this is movable. So this string will pass like this way through this and hang it here. Okay, bind it here. Okay, understand? By this way it will go, then below, then above, then come here and fixed here, and we are pulling here, giving effort. It is balancing this tension. Now students, I told you we will find the mechanical advantage. Very easy, there is nothing. So here is the load. This load is balanced by 1T, 2T, 3T, 3T. Another T is there, no, only effort is balancing this T. It is not, it is effort side, means it is no undergo with anything with load. So load is balanced by these three type of T. Okay, and effort balance 1T. Okay, so we get the mechanical advantage. See, load is equal to 3T, effort is equal to T. Okay, so mechanical advantage will be 3T by T means 3, means it is a force multiplier, and velocity ratio also will be 3. You know that mechanical advantage is equal to velocity ratio, and velocity ratio is always fixed. Okay, and for a ideal machine, MA mechanical advantage or equal to 3 when eta is 100% mean ideal system, and velocity ratio also 3 always. Okay, and what is its if the efficiency 90%, suppose any practical, suppose I to told this student for these three value for a ideal machine, but ideal machine is not exist in the universe, you know that. So what we will do, calculate, suppose a machine will give its efficiency is 90%. So what will be the a machine like this system 90% efficiency, so what is its mechanical advantage? You see, calculation happens, MA is equal to eta into VR. So eta 90% and VR 3, you know VR is always 3, so value will come, mechanical advantage will come 2.7. Okay, so just one thing I will say here, number of pulley, always remember, if there is 4 pulley, mechanical 3 pulley, mechanical advantage 3, 4 pulley, mechanical advantage 4, 5 pulley is there. Okay, whatever movable and fixed, then there will be mechanical advantage 5. Okay, if n number pulley, so mechanical advantage will be n. Understand what I am saying? Very easy, very easy. But for the previous type of combination, there is 2 to the power n, and here normal n. Just remember these things, students, and whatever the number of pulley it will be given, nothing, not a problem for you. Only just check the tension force. I to told mechanical advantage will come 5. That means 5 pulley means 5T will be there. 6 pulley means 6T will be there. 4 pulley means 4T will be there. Above 4T, effort will be balanced by a single T. So no problem. Effort is equal to T will come. Okay. So here also 4 system. So see, just I am showing how rope or string passed by this above one, below one, the again this, again the below, then here it has bind. Okay, so this effort balance this tension. In book you can see T1, T2 he has written, no problem. What the value it will be T3, that will be T1, T2 will written like this way. All the value will converted into T3. Okay, then you can divide, the value will come same. So these 4 load is balanced by, students check, 1T here, second T here, 2T. Again also this total load, this load is balanced by this pulley, again by this together. So this pulley balance this 2T, again this pulley balance here 1T, this side 1T. Okay, this side 1 rope. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2, okay, 1 2 3 4, so 4T. So load is balanced by 4 tension, effort 1 tension, so mechanical advantage 4, VR 4 by velocity ratio. Okay, velocity ratio will never change, but mechanical advantage can be changed. Okay, you just remember this. because velocity ratio, students, you know, displacement of the string, so that will not lower or greater. Displacement so will be happen same way. Velocity ratio, when I explained in the previous, you check the x direction. Suppose there is complete 2x, this side it will come 2x, and load side movement only x happens. So this movement will to not decrease or increase. That string will to always go with the same type of movement. But mechanical advantage can be lesser or greater. Okay, that is depend on the machine's in internal structure. Okay, efficiency will depend on that mechanical advantage also. Okay, but velocity ratio means the movement that will be equal. Okay, that's why velocity ratio always fixed, but mechanical advantage can be changed. Now students, if 5 pulley system, here you see equal number of 2 fixed pulley, above it's fixed, you see fixed, and both below 2 is movable. Okay, here you see by yourself, I am showing you the rope, other everything you can understand. See, above 3, below 2, below, you know, either equal or less than the above fixed pulley. Okay, so here you can see the rope is passed like this way, and below, then above, then below, then above, then here. Okay, so number of tension, see, away from the 1, 2, 3, 4, here 5. Okay, I think you can understand. I think you can, and effort is balancing one tension, so load is 5t, so velocity ratio 5, mechanical advantage 5. Students, I will provide a now this chapter is completed. I will provide another question answer. Okay, some important question answer, 5-6 question answer I will totally solve, and that video will be very important because numericals are very important from this chapter. So wait for that video. Thank you.